Welcome back to our fourth video. Today we'll talk about the 10 Commandments by Bible School.
So what are the 10 Commandments? The first commandment is you shall have no other gods before me. Second, you shall not make idols for yourself. Number 3, you shall not take the Lord of your God's name in vain. Number 4, remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Number 5, honor your father and your mother. Number 6, you shall not murder. You shall not commit adultery. Number 8, you shall not steal. Number 9, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. And number 10, you shall not covet.
Number 1, you shall have no other gods before me. In Exodus 22-3 says, I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. You shall have no other gods before me. So this commandment means that you shall only have one true God.
Number 2, you shall not make idols. This verse is found in Exodus 20, verses 4 to 6. You shall not make for yourself a carved image of any likeness of anything that is in the heaven above, or that is in earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. You shall not bow down to them nor serve them. For I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God, visiting the iniquity of the fathers upon the children to the third and fourth generations of those who hate me, but showing mercy to thousands, to those who love me and keep my commandments. So this commandment tells us that we shouldn't make an idol and bow down to it and worship it. So this is a picture of an idol that they used to create in the olden days. This is just one of them. This is a cow. They used to make calves. They used to make a statue of a human and worship it and add some stuff.
Number 3, do not use the Lord's name in vain. This is stated in Exodus 27, verse 7. You shall not take the Lord's name, your God, in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless who takes his name in vain. This commandment talks about us not to use the Lord's name disrespectfully. For example, don't say OMG. So when you get mad, you should just not say oh my and then use the Lord's name in vain.
Number 4, remember the Sabbath day by keeping it holy. So this verse is found in Exodus 20, verses 8 to 11. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days you shall labor and do all your work, but the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord your God. In it you shall do no work, nor your son, nor your daughter, nor your male servant, nor your female servant, nor your cattle, nor your stranger who is within your gates. For in 6 days the Lord made the heavens and the earth, the sea, and all that is in them, and rested the seventh day. Therefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and hallowed it. So this commandment talks about us telling us to keep it holy and remembering it. And so on this day we rest and worship God's name.
Number 5, honor your father and mother. Honor your father. Okay, so this Bible verse is stated in Exodus 20:12. Honor your father and mother, that your days may be long upon the land which the Lord your God is giving you. It simply says to treat your parents with respect and honor in their disciplines for you. So when your parents tell you to go do your chores or clean up your room, you should go do it. And that's what obeying your parents and respecting them is.
And if they tell you you shouldn't do this, it's not good for you, you have to listen to it. And just to say one thing, commandments 1 to 4 are commandments from God to you, and commandments 5 to 10 are for you and to other people. So this is a picture where it says honor your father and mother by just showing us. Okay, number 6, you shall not murder. So you shall not murder. This verse is found in Exodus 20:13. This commandment tells us not to take a person's life away from them. Like, don't stab it.
You shall not commit adultery. Exodus 20:14 says you shall not commit adultery. This commandment tells you to keep a good marriage. So if you're married to a woman, you should not cheat on her.
Number 8, do not steal. This verse is found in Exodus 20:15. You shall not steal. Don't take something that doesn't belong to you or isn't yours.
Do not bear false witness. So in Exodus 26 verse 16 says, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbors. This commandment tells you not to tell lies about your neighbors.
Number 10, do not covet. This verse is found in Exodus 20:17. You shall not covet your neighbor's house. You shall not covet your neighbor's wife, nor his male servant, nor his female servant, nor his ox, nor his donkey, nor anything that is your neighbor's. Exodus 20:17. Do not. So basically, this verse is saying for us not to grieve for something that isn't ours, or yeah, for something that isn't ours. And please subscribe and hit that notification bell and like, share, and comment down below
if you have any questions. And thank you for watching our video, and do not forget to subscribe. And these are our credits.
See you guys next time.